What is up, my YouTube family? Today I'm bringing this video to you guys because it's been so requested, and the truth behind this video is I actually made a video for the install of these Auxito LED headlights that I'm running now, and I lost all my footage. It got corrupt, so I've been backtracking on it because it just was so devastating to me. But here I am. I'm going to bring you this. I'm going to show you what they look like, how to hook them up on your 2015 200, and it's also going to be a review about these as well. So this is for any car, not just the 2015 200s. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, first off, guys, so coming up underneath the wheel well, any side passenger or driver up front, you're going to see a little panel right here. All you do is turn your wheel, take a flathead screwdriver, twist it, half turn. This will drop down and expose your headlight. And you can twist out your headlight, twist in your new one, and plug it right in. So it's very simple to do, very easy to do on these cars. Very, very easy. So that's pretty much the install process of it. Like I said, I'm not going to be taking mine out or anything, but I am going to explain to you what you need to do to make these actually work. So coming up over here, this is a relay. Other than all these other wires, because these are all for my lights, you can see right there, my headlight is plugged into some sort of switch. It's plugged into this. This is called a harness relay, or LED harness relay. What it does is you plug this in to your light post. It branches another wire off for your actual light that you got, and going all the way over and plugs in for your light over there. This has a small chip in it, or a relay in a sense, that tells the car, hey, I'm getting enough power, don't shut off my headlights. So basically my car, and a lot of you other owners of the 200s, will get a warning light saying your low beam is out, right or left low beam is out. And if you do not have one of these, it will actually turn off your bulb. So not necessarily your lights are, not working. Your car is just not registering that there is a light bulb in there. And this is the reason why. LEDs use a fraction of the amount of power that a halogen uses. So when you run an LED, you're using such little power that the car does not even think it has a light bulb in there. Now, that's needless to say that these things aren't bright, because they definitely are bright. But this relay comes into play and tricks the car by telling it, hey, there is enough power. So in my case, I still do have the warning light up front. I do not know why. I do have the harnesses. It does not affect me, though. I do not care, because I literally hit OK and it goes away and never comes back on until I turn my car back on and the lights come on, and then repeat. So it does not bother me, but it does bother me when the lights turn off. So now that I have this, the lights do not turn off anymore. They will turn on when I turn them on and turn off when I turn them off, not on their own time. So that is something you're gonna need to get. You will have a link down in the description below, so you guys can check one out. My car runs 9012s. That's the headlight size. So I did get the 9012 Auxito LED headlights. They claim on the box to be, relay free, cannabis free, whatever, to where they're just plug and play. I don't know if they are, because I already had the relay set up to begin with. So you can try that out, but just have the relay for backup. Just, you know what I mean? So you don't catch yourself in a troubled spot. So with that being said, now you know what you need to do to actually have LED headlights in your car if it's a newer car, because these newer cars, computers are just all wonky and crazy. So let me show you what they actually look like. Okay, guys, so here we are outside with just the headlights on, and we're probably, 20 feet to the garage. Doesn't look like much, but as you see looking at the garage, I mean, look how bright it is. These things have a crazy great beam pattern, honestly. You can see really far out. I really like them. It's a major difference. These are 6500K, So that's the color you're gonna get with 6500K. I mean, it's pure white. You can see it going to the other side. Just an ice white look. It's your traditional LED lighting setup. You know, you can get like going into the 7000s and it gets a little more blue, and then going lower than 6000 you get a little bit more yellow. But I love this setup the way it is. They've been great for me for about 2-3 months now. I think I've had them, and they've been great. I actually upgraded from a $15 set, and it was a major upgrade. So absolutely love them. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, and here's the inside. Pretty much where my head is, kind of right about there. And as you can see, guys, it's bright. It does plenty of lighting for me. So I'm a fan of these. I think they're great. I definitely think you guys should pick a setup. If you are running halogens, definitely make the change to LEDs. HIDs are good too. I used to do HIDs a lot, and I used to be like, no, LEDs, no, I'm an HID guy. Then I just fell in love with the way LEDs are. It's instant bright. So here you go. Let me just turn it off for you. Boom. I mean, it's instant bright. It's so bright that the camera literally has to take a second. For a second, I was like, wait a minute, is it? And then, you know, the camera actually doesn't pick it up as fast as like it really is. So instant bright. They're great. If you use, you know, subs and stuff like that, it doesn't take a lot of power to power them. So you don't get any like fading from your music hitting or anything like that. So LEDs are a great upgrade to do. Again, I'm going to drop the link down to the ones I have in the description below, as well as a link to a relay harness for you guys. So you guys can have that as well. But again, it's super simple to do. On most cars, headlights are not terrible, but I'm not going to say that because some cars are rough. But on the 200s, it's pretty simple, and it's a must-have for any car to do a LED upgrade. Halogens are just not cutting it anymore, and why not? It's just so easy to get your hands on a pair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this video is what you guys were expecting. If you're really still having problems with the whole taking out the light, please hit me up on IG. I will guide you through the steps. I will help you as much as I can, but it just didn't feel like taking out my setup I have right now. But I did say I was going to bring you guys this video, so I wanted to make sure I kept to my promise. But again, thank you so much for checking out the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please check out some of my other videos. So much stuff we're going to be getting done this year, and there's so much stuff we've done already. So please take the time, check it out, and until the next one, guys, peace.